Hello student, good morning to all. Today I am going to explain the topic on expression for energy transported or intensity of a wave. We know that when a progressive wave moves in a forward direction, new successive particle of the medium start to vibrate. This means that energy has been supplied by the incoming wave. This wave receives the energy from the source. Consequently, when the wave travels forward, there is a transfer of energy from one part of the medium to another in the direction of propagation of wave. What we say in other words, when the progressive wave propagates through the medium, it transfers energy from one point to another point. The intensity of the wave, it is defined as rate of transfer of energy per unit area normal to wave propagation is called intensity of the wave. Let us consider a progressive wave propagate along the positive x direction through a medium of density rho. The equation of the wave is y is equal to a sine omega t minus x by v. Here y is the displacement of the particle at a position x and at an instant t. A is the amplitude, omega angular velocity of particle. When the progressive wave propagates through the medium, the total energy of the particle is partly kinetic and partly potential. The total energy E of the particle is sum of kinetic energy and potential energy, or E is equal to T plus V. The kinetic energy and potential energy of the particle change continuously with time, but the total energy remains constant. Therefore, the kinetic energy, average of kinetic energy is equal to the average of potential energy. Or substitute value of V in this equation, we get E is equal to kinetic energy average plus average of potential energy. Here in place of V, we can replace by average of kinetic energy. Therefore, the total energy is equal to 2 into average of kinetic energy. The velocity of the particle is given by u is equal to dy by dt. the differentiate that equation y, we get a omega cos omega t minus x by v. Here we only consider the magnitude of the progressive wave. The kinetic energy of the particle is given by T is equal to 1 by 2 mu square, where m is the mass of the particle. Substitute the value of u in this equation, we get T is equal to 1 by 2 m a square omega square cos square omega t minus x by v, or T average is equal to 1 by 2 m a square omega square cos square omega t minus x by v average. Here we have to calculate the average value of cos theta. Therefore, cos square theta average is equal to integration from 0 to 2 pi cos square theta d theta by integration from 0 to 2 pi d theta. Here cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Therefore, this equation becomes integration from 0 to 2 pi 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 into d theta by, here when we integrate this term and substitute the value of upper and lower integral, here we can get 2 pi. This equation can be written as 1 by 4 pi, the integration of 1 is theta plus cos 2 theta is sin 2 theta by 2 from 0 to 2 pi. That is equal to 1 by 4 pi. The substitute the value of theta here, it is 2 pi, and this term become 0. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are, and pi get cancelled. That is equal to half. Substitute the value of cos square theta average in the equation, we get T average is equal to 1 by 2 m a square omega square into 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 4 m a square omega square. We know that E is equal to 2 into T average, that is equal to 2 into 1 by 4 m a square omega square, or here 2 ones are 2 twos are, therefore E is equal to 1 by 2 m a square omega square. We know the value of omega. Omega is 2 pi f. Therefore, this equation becomes 1 by 2 m a square 2 pi f whole square, or this becomes 2 pi square m a square f square. This is called energy flux or energy current, or what we say in other words, this is the energy of particle of mass m through which the wave is propagated. Now consider a cylindrical volume of length v and unit of cross section with its axis parallel to the direction of wave. Then the volume of the cylinder become volume into 1, that is equal to volume, then the mass of the particle of the cylinder is equal to rho d, because we know that the density is equal to mass per volume, or mass is equal to density into volume. Therefore, energy contained in the cylinder can be written as E is equal to 2 pi square A square F square rho into V, or the intensity of the wave can be written as I is equal to 2 pi square A square F square rho into V. Thus, I is proportional to square of an amplitude, and the intensity of the wave is directly proportional to the square of frequency, and intensity is directly proportional to the density of the wave, or the intensity is directly proportional to the velocity. Thank you.